Good day, everyone. It's Marlena Burton. So, do you ever get the feeling that God or the universe is trying to send you a message? Like for me, I left home and I heard a lady say one time, she was on a video and she said, whenever you see red and blue lights, that's a message to pay attention. And so I could kind of see that. So anyway, today I'm out and about, and my great twin nieces call. They actually do a FaceTime. They know how to, do FaceTimes and everything. Hi. I'm sorry. I'm like just getting to Walmart parking lot, and I'm sitting here doing my video, and so there's this guy that was like pulled up in front of me, like on the right side of me, and he's leaving, and he's like looking at me like this. So he says hi, I say hi. So that's why I'm laughing. Anyway, my great twin nieces do FaceTimes, and so it's just a joy to talk to them. So anyway, I'm going down the road. Here comes I said, oh, I need to pull over. I said, here comes the fire chief. I see these red and blue lights. And then not too far behind him, of course, is the fire truck, and then another fire truck. And so I'm like, okay, so that's my sign to just like be super careful, pay attention. Now, my car never leaves before I send forth my protective angels in a word of protection. That's just what I do. I don't know what you do, or, even if you believe in angels or whatever. So sometimes it's just fun. We don't actually know. We just know what somebody else has said. But anyhow, so then I turn the corner, and here's the police sitting out in front of the dispensary. So I'm like, yeah, just be safe, be aware. Okay. So I made it here to my destination fine. So hopefully you're having a fantastic day. Things are going well for you. And just wanted to say, hey, and have a fun week. I appreciate each of you. If you want to connect, my number is 618-223-6006. God's best.